welcome to the vlog.
Good morning.
Yellow Joyriders.
Yes, Bex is back. I'm leaving, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
I'm staying.
We got the GT500 on the lift. We're just trying to get everything wrapped up before we actually head out for this little road trip adventure. So I just changed the oil in it yesterday. And Tom's Corvette is still hanging out over here. We still have that. I think later on today, we're gonna change all of this. This right here is basically all your coolant hoses. So we're probably gonna get that changed because I do have a little bit of a leak. See all that like dried stuff? That's the leak. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's leaking. It's actually leaking from like that right in there. So we're just gonna replace all of this. I think the girls are gonna take the Corvette. And I got the RV all set up for later. I think I'm gonna part out the GT500. As far as the part out is concerned, the Whipple is gonna be leaving, but that's already sold. So if anybody needs a throttle body, we're gonna be getting rid of that. That's a Ford Racing CJ65, I believe is what that is. What size is that throttle body?
A 65mm.
So I've had these booster pumps in the trunk now, ever since I've done the return style fuel system. They're actually the ones from VMP. Look at this, guys. I got everything cleaned. I like spent a few hours cleaning all this stuff. All the rubber out from everything, the exhaust, all that stuff. The only evidence of the burnout is on the wrap itself.
I'm making him wear a helmet.
You're making him wear a helmet? I would wear a helmet riding with her too. You look good in this.
I know, I think I might get it.
Are you gonna buy it off Tom? I just love the look of the like the steering wheel, the gauges and everything.
You wanna go for a ride?
Yeah. Comment below if you think Laura's too cool for school. Fuck that stop sign. Just go. Let me just roll right through that bitch. Okay.
Yeah, JD loves pictures of himself. Family pictures, his favorite. He just wants to do it like every weekend now, and I'm starting to get a little bit tired of it.
You know, he gets to pose next to this hot babe over here. I mean, that was like the other day. Somebody was like, wow, you're so, somebody came up to me physically. Like it wasn't like a troll online, like, oh, you're so hot, fake rose emoji, blah, blah, blah. Like someone came up to me in person and was like, you're so hot. And I was like, who the fuck is paying you? Woo!
JD said that to me one day. I think it was in one of the vlogs. He was like saying that I was pretty or something, or who's this hot girl next to me? And I was like, who are you talking to?
I think trolling people is so much more fun than taking the compliment. I do. Hey, look at this fool. JD wants to get B-roll of us driving. We still need to figure out what I'm gonna wear for that Rad Rod video. She picks out all my outfits. Everyone thinks I'm kidding.
That's gonna be the most exciting one, though. That one I'm gonna be actually super excited about.
Me too.
Why do they call it B-roll?
Because it's back roll. Like A is us having our conversation right now, and then B is when you flip the script and you're like, and it's like kind of like a film almost. So like what people can see what we're seeing, or you know, landscape and stuff like that. It's just like a filler kind of a thing. If two people are having a conversation at each other, I think it's C-roll because it's conversation roll or something, maybe? I don't know. I could be making that up. But I'm gonna tell you what, stage left, stage right, it's by the director's point of view and not your point of view.
That's how x-rays and stuff are too. Like when you're looking at it and something's over here, that's actually their left.
Oh, really?
I should have put my hair up.
Oh, your hair looks cute. Comment below if you think Laura's hair is cute.
Hey, Bex, can you hold my hair? Just hold it the whole time.
Oh, guess who gets to pull her hair? Sir, we were having a great ride. Feels so weird without my hat. I'm so mad I lost it. Pretty sure a homeless person grabbed it. It's my fault.
It was probably a fan.
Comment below if you stole my hat. I think you should make a drinking game out of all of JD's vlogs. Every time he says comment below, take a shot. Every time something happens to his car, finish your drink in honor of his car. for his editing skills. I would definitely. People are gonna be so jealous of me holding your hair back.
Yeah, I'm real jealous. Are you gonna keep holding my hair when we get out too?
No. I was gonna let you put your hair up.
Well, we're there now. It gave me some volume.
Oh yes, girl. And this is all in slow motion.
Can you feel the attraction?
I'm scared to go through the drive-thru.
I'd be scared to go through the drive-thru.
Anytime something like minuscule happens, it's like meltdown mode.
Oh, you mean like his
Divorce.
You're not gonna get divorced.
I got fingerprints on the door when I shut it. I haven't done that for a really long time. Am I gonna make it?
Yeah, you made it.
I don't even know what I want.
What do you mean you don't? She's lying. She gets the same thing every time.
Do you want something?
Yeah, I'll do the water with lemon.
Do you want water?
No, I'll do the hibiscus thing. Weirdo alert! Help me! I told everybody about B-roll.
About B-roll?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to do B-roll.
I should have got him running. Why is he so funny when he runs?
I should take a picture. Say hashtag creeper.
The creeper in the bushes. Make sure you guys are following Laura's Instagram so you can get all these funny behind the scenes stuff of her life. That drink that you got yesterday. Holy crap, that stuff was good. I was buzzing. I was not annoyed by your children.
She wants kids so bad. She acts like she doesn't, but then she comes over and like won't stop playing with my kids.
Yes, because your kids are good, but guaranteed I will have the spawn of Satan himself.
You will.
I will. Comment below if you've been drinking this whole vlog. Us too.
Comment below your favorite scary movie, because those are hard to find good ones.
That's true.
Comment below the scariest place you've ever been, so we can go there.
Yeah. This is the longest line ever.
This has taken a long time, like longer.
Oh my god, look at this weirdo! Excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, what are you doing?
I'm getting B-roll for your vlog.
My vlog?
Yes.
You look you're such a you're creepy.
Also, there's no cup holders.
Did you ever see that there's like a theory out there that women only buy cars because of cup holders?
That would be me, probably.
No, you wouldn't. You would not buy it. No, you wouldn't.
Every time I go to Starbucks, I use like 4 cup holders. I do want a new car now, though.
Dropping bombs
Thank
and
you.
cups of coffee. You said it hit you all at once.
You look so good in this thing, babe. What?
It's true.
I'd do you.
Well, at least we know it works.
What?
You got 2 reasons to prove that it works.
Bex said we should wait a little bit longer. I told her that you want to have another one right now, but that we at least
No.
have to have another.
She wants to have another kid right now, and I am not ready for that.
Not right now.
I mean,
It's like
I'm ready to like practice, but not like actually have the kid part.
It's like listening to your parents talk about sex. It's so gross.
We'll do it for the vlog, babe. Do it for the vlog. The cool thing about the T-tops, you can get good cleavage shots, babe.
Stop taking pictures of her cleavage, babe.
Mine is hidden. It's yours. At least they're real though. Did an exfoliant scrub the other day, and my body is peeling like a snake, and it's so gross.
Do you want me to B-roll you peeling?
No, don't do that.
Comment below. What do you think of Bex's shirt?
Isn't it cute? My students got it for me back in the day when I used to teach band.
He just talks to random people.
He does. He like walks up to people. He does it all the time.
They're like, why is this guy talking to me?
Yeah, why is he talking? And then they
And then
walk
eventually
Yeah, they
they like.
walk away with each other's Snapchats
Yeah.
and like Instagram handles. Like,
But at first, I would always be like, okay, JD, they don't want to talk to you. Like, you can tell by
yeah.
how they act. Like, if they think it's really awkward. But JD doesn't care and just keeps talking and
Yeah.
talking. Like, nobody can be having any kind of interaction around because
cars. What the? Every time! How does he do it? This guy's gonna walk away with a free JD Joyride shirt. I guarantee you.
He'll be at our house next weekend for a cookout.
So we're back at the house and look at this driveway we've got. That's ridiculous. Yeah, remember him, he's our professional race car driver. He works at 7-Eleven also.
That's you.
I'm talking to you, Vince.
I work for Trump.
You work for Trump.
Yeah. He's the man.
Aren't you in the witness protection program?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, you can't be on the vlog anymore. All right. And look, we got Tom over here in the Joyride garage hanging out with us, and Dylan. And then look, Dak for hours.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the car up on the lift, and we're gonna try to drain the coolant and get all this replaced.
How many dummies does it take to change the coolant on a car?
And those are way too small. So right here we got the old. You can kind of see where it was leaking through right there. All these other fittings. So hopefully once we get this new one on, it's not gonna leak.
I think he needs to do a compilation video of all his struggling.
He's getting old and his ass is getting big.
Whatever. Really?
Expression.
That's good.
I think JD has acquired a taste for antifreeze.
I've gotten into my mouth twice already. Comment below if antifreeze is bad to get in your mouth. I'm not sure what it does, but hopefully I'll still be here to vlog. Bex wants the Corvette. The Corvette belongs to Tom. So you said you need to come up with $10,000. That's how much you're selling it for?
I would give her the keys to that car and she could drive it however she wants, whenever she wants. But it comes with the girlfriend status.
Oh, I have to be the
You have to be my girlfriend. You're not my girlfriend.
So the Corvette is like a car guy's way of saying, here's your ring.
Aren't you already engaged though?
Your ring cop?
Oh, yeah,
But, I mean,
I was like, oh yeah, we recorded that. I forgot about it.
Damn, today, forgot it first, man. See what's gonna happen?
I know.
to each other?
I know.
You gotta take the card and you'll never see her again.
I'm going to keep the title until the prenup is signed. So, we'll
Yeah, there's a prenup, so if you leave him, he gets the car back.
the car comes back to me. It's like the family dog.
I see.
I get the family dog back.
Right.
As long as I can keep my dog, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Joyride vlogs stay interesting, that's all I gotta say. These hose clamps are probably the biggest pain in the ass clamps.
Why is that, JD?
Hold on. Because you gotta get your channel locks on them. And they're always in like the worst position.
I'd help, but I just got my nails done, so that's not happening. Sorry.
You could probably just do it with your hands then. We wouldn't need channel lock.
Nope. We still haven't finished Laura and I's vlog.
This is your vlog.
Excuse me. Who did this, sir?
It's a garage.
Who got my wall dirty?
It adds character.
No. Got a count going on.
Oh, you're counting?
Yeah, I was counting.
We need like some music. Good thing we got vlog music.
Yeah.
Right? Damn it. Give someone else the camera, okay? You are no longer allowed to be around me when I'm working on the car. I can't even pay attention to what I'm doing because now I'm just sitting here like
You're so
counting my nose
paranoid.
runs. Stop.
So how many clamps do you have on her? 5?
I think there was like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Yeah, well, now we're down to the very last one that goes onto this expansion tank.
So we're changing it to that one?
No, we already changed it. That's the old one.
That's the old one. You already put the new one in
Where
there.
you been?
Watching Logan.
It wasn't that bad, but the worst part about this job was getting antifreeze in my mouth.
How many times?
Twice. And how many
I lost count.
Can you feel in there?
If he's doing something hard.
Something hard. Those clamps are hard to do.
They are a bitch.
Okay, so then it's excused.
Those were fully excusable. Thankfully, there wasn't a cuss word after every one of them.
Yeah.
things.
He's pretty good at that one. But when he does something stupid, like pick up a napkin off the floor, I'm like, what? Why are you sighing?
That's not old age.
JD, are you supposed to mix that beforehand?
I think so, but Laura would not let me use the blender. We gotta roll the car out of the garage because for some reason the battery died. Probably me being careless with something. So then once we get it outside the garage, we're gonna try to burp the system. Hottest mom I know. Right there. Finally finished up the car. We burped the system. I got the oil changed in it. Basically getting it ready for this big road trip. We are going on a long drive. That's why I had to get the car all ready and everything for all this. But we are gonna go head out, go grab some food because I am starving. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. Melting pot with the crew. What's up? We got grandma with us. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Oh my goodness. So if you guys ever come to Front Royal, this is like one of the spots where you have to go and try. Their pizza is awesome. Best pizza. If you like super thin, crispy, this is the place to go. So what is your name so everybody can ask for you?
My name is Chloe Crane at the good old melting of the pot.
Yes. I was telling everybody earlier how great the pizza was here.
Oh, it's the best.
It's the best pizza. Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Do that stretch again. Does Amanda want another one?
Yes, I do. I want a baby.
How's the pizza, babe?
It's good.
Awesome. What do you think, Mammal?
Yeah, I love it.
It's good? It's good?
Yeah,
Good? Good? Always good. Always good. Good? It's the pizza, so we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. We're going to finish eating and enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.
Until next time.